Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin's entrance into the metaverse. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. Let's hit a like goal of 200 likes, and then also leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. But yeah, today we're going to be talking about the Shiba Inu Coin metaverse, when it could be coming, what it will kind of detail, and everything of that nature. We're also going to be talking about technical analysis and a new view on the technical analysis that I haven't really showed you guys yet. So if you guys want to see all of that, stick around till the end of the video. But very quickly before I get into the video, I do want to mention that you can get a free stock from Public and invest in a Shiba Inu Coin to get yourself some free Shib with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $70 that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin to get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. Also, if you guys have not joined our private Discord, what are you guys doing? We're going to be sending out a lot of different buy and sell alerts today. So if you guys want to get our buy and sell alerts and private Discord access, go ahead and get signed up with that second link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So we are down about 6% today, and that's not something we love to see, obviously, but at one point we were down 10%. So we have had a bit of a trend reversal here. I do want to talk about this trend reversal at the end of the video on the technical analysis, so make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video. But real quick, I do want to mention Shiba Inu Coin is still on the top 10 on StockTwits in terms of activity, and we are even trading on Monday. So Monday is a day where normally stocks and crypto tend to be more stocks tend to be more active than crypto, but Shiba Inu Coin still coming in at that 9th spot there. Bitcoin obviously being at that number 1 spot, since they are down 2.43%. But I do want to mention Shiba Inu Coin still on this list, which is really good to see. And guys, we are trying to get to 500 followers on Twitter, so if you guys can please help us out with that, that would be awesome. We do tweet about crypto and Shiba Inu Coin and the news coming out on it, so if you guys want to see that, then go ahead and follow us on Twitter at It's Finance Bro. But anyways, let's talk about Shiba Inu Coin and the metaverse. So could Shiba Inu be a monster metaverse winner? And they say it's possible. I do want to mention, hey, this is the Motley Fool. I know a lot of you guys do not like the Motley Fool because they spread a lot of FUD about Shiba Inu Coin, but I will say this is a pretty good article on Shib and the metaverse. So you know, there are different people that write articles on here, and this is a pretty bullish one, so that's why I'm bringing it up. So what does the most valuable player of the NFL championship say to the camera after winning? Where he's going next? To Disney World. If the cryptocurrency world had a championship most valuable player in 2021, the honor would have to go to Shiba Inu. No other digital token delivered anywhere close to the gain that Shiba Inu did last year. Well, there are some that got close, but anyways. And like the NFL MVP, Shiba Inu has a next destination planned. It's not Disney World though. Instead, it's the metaverse. In November, Shiba Inu Games project lead Satoshi Kusama wrote on a Medium that the future of gaming is Shib. He could have also said that the future of Shib is gaming. Could Shiba Inu be a monster metaverse winner? So, Metaverse Mania. Ever since Facebook announced the change of its name to Meta Platforms in October, we've seen a kind of Metaverse Mania. Investors' interest in stocks that could profit from the metaverse has skyrocketed. Also, you know, different cryptocurrencies such as Mana, such as Sandbox and Gala Games have also done good as well. Gaming coins with their most metaverses have enjoyed huge booms. Oh, they literally say it in the next sentence. I swear I didn't mean to do that. Decentraland shot up more than 6-fold in a few weeks. Sandbox jumped well over 8 times. But while these metaverse cryptocurrencies were soaring, Shiba Inu was sinking. The meme coin was missing out altogether on the Metaverse Mania. However, it appears that this will only be a temporary situation. As mentioned, Kusama's Medium article posted on November 26 laid out a vision for Shiba Inu's future. He asked, what is Shib becoming? How can Shib grow into more than anyone expects? And his answer was that Shiba Inu's destination is the metaverse. 2 big steps forward. Shiba Inu has already taken 2 big steps forward in achieving the vision Kusama articulated. First, William Volk has brought on as a consultant to head up the game's development. Volk boasts an impressive track record of developing games. He served as vice president of technology of Activision Blizzard. He oversaw the creation of multiple successful games in his tenure with the company. So he has also ran his own game studio as well. Kusama's Medium post hinted that the AAA studio, one with an impressive track record of developing developing multi-million-dollar games, had also been lined up. On December 7th, it was revealed that this was PlaySide Studios and that they had signed an 8-month contract to develop a multiplayer collectible card game, which is planned to be released on multiple platforms. Not only that, but they also have another game coming out as well, I do want to note. A Monster Metaverse winner, the game is that PlaySide is developing for Shiba Inu Games, will be targeted for mobile use and won't be based on the blockchain. However, Kusama stated that the game will be exclusively licensed to Shiba Inu decentralized team to incorporate on the Shibarium Layer 2 solution built on the Ethereum blockchain. Ultimately, this will morph into the Oshiverse, Shiba Inu's own metaverse. These efforts could put some rest to the criticisms that Shiba Inu doesn't have any competitive advantages. Kusama explains that Shiba Inu is positioned to take over the gaming landscape in 2022. That's probably a stretch considering the initial game is being developed by PlaySide isn't scheduled to launch until the first quarter of 2023. On the other hand, it's possible that the Oshiverse could truly offer unique capabilities that set it apart from rivals. Will Shiba Inu be a Monster Metaverse winner? Perhaps eventually, but it's waiting game for now. So basically, Shiba Inu Coin getting into the metaverse, we already knew this. However, a lot of you guys probably didn't really know the about it, like didn't know how it was going to happen or anything, so hopefully you do know now. Okay, next I do want to bring up this fear and greed index, a macro thesis I have on the market. You want to be investing when there is extreme fear and you want to be selling when there is extreme greed. So you can see here we are at a 23 extreme fear level in the crypto markets, and that has kind of manifested itself into the crypto markets as well. You can see Bitcoin under 41,000, Ethereum at that 3,000 level as well, and that's kind of been driving this downward pressure in the crypto markets today. Shiba Inu Coin not being immune to this. However, we are doing better than Polkadot, AVAX, Terra Luna, and Dogecoin. So Shiba Inu Coin down only 5% right now, even though the market is not doing well. The volume is starting to kick up. As you can see here, the volume was down a lot yesterday, but starting to kick up a lot more now, and we have started to make our recovery in my opinion, but let's talk about that now. So here's what we are going to be looking at for Shiba Inu Coin, and you can see here that we have been on a downward trend for a while now, and I mean, I don't love to see it. Obviously, none of us like to see it. However, we have been bouncing off this top line here and this bottom line here and just trading between these zones. In order to get a trend reversal and be bullish going forward, we are going to need to close out the day either today or tomorrow at the 29 level. So if we can close out the day above the 29 level, then we would break out of this trend and eventually start to, make our way back up to this previous resistance at the 40. But until we do that, we're just going to be in a waiting game and on a downward trend. But that is what we need to be on the lookout for, is a break above the 29 level. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on the videos. It really helps with the growth of the channel. Leave a comment of how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. Let's hit our like goal of 200 likes, and make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Just deposit $1 on public and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock. Also join our private Discord if you guys want our buy and sell alerts. We're going to be issuing a lot of buy and sell alerts. If you guys want to get those, make sure you guys get signed up to our private Discord with that second link in the description. But yeah, subscribe so you guys don't miss our other videos coming out today. We should have 2 or 3 more coming out today, so if you guys want to see all those, then go ahead and subscribe and you'll get notified when those come out. But that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.